If you are a social media manager, stay tuned to this video till the end as I will be sharing 5 amazing ways to earn money without onboarding any clients. What's up my social tribe? Welcome back to another interesting video. If you are new here, I am Dr. Khushbu Pandya, your social media bestie, and every week I bring you videos to elevate your social media professional career and help you create your financial freedom through social skills. First of all, thank you for choosing to drop by and watching this video. This channel is a passion project to help social media managers worldwide to up-level their game and earn their living through social media skills. When I started, I had no such resource, and so I wanted to create a free resource for my community. Now, being said that, here I bring you some cool ways to earn money even if you have 0 clients. Yes, you heard that right. Even if you don't have any clients, you can still earn as a social media manager. So keep watching this video till the end. The first way to earn money as a social media manager with 0 clients is to build a paid membership. One of the most popular ways to earn money in 2022 is to build an access to the exclusive content. The content that you would share only to people who have purchased your community access. Now, this can be built on various platforms. You need to figure out what you will be sharing and to whom and where. So let me share some of the ideas on which platforms you can use to share your exclusive content and earn through building paid memberships. The first way is to use platforms like TagMango that offers a great place to start building a community plus earnings through sharing exclusive content in any formats. Secondly, you can build a paid audience on Twitter by conducting paid spaces. That's exclusively for people who buy tickets to your space. Now, spaces is a way to have live audio conversations on Twitter. Twitter has an option to opt for ticketed space. That is, people will have to buy a ticket just like an offline event to take part in the space to listen to audio conference. Ticketed Spaces helps you create unique and exclusive live experiences inside Twitter. You have this flexibility in setting the ticket price, which can be as low as $1 and as high as $999. The third way to build a paid membership is through Facebook groups. This is very simple to set up and widely used method by people to offer exclusive content inside a private Facebook group. You can set up membership fees to your group and start offering content to members only. If you are someone who loves writing and wants to monetize your newsletter, do check out the platform called Fanbase. It lets you write letters to your community. Fanbase is a platform that is built by creators for creators. So creators from any niche can start publishing content and make regular money through subscriptions, workshops, events, and more. Let's say you are a fitness trainer. You can create a subscription plan and share things like health tips, daily exercises, diet plans, downloadable and guides, 30-day challenges, workout plans, etc. You can even sell your personalized consulting sessions on the platform. I have personally used this platform and it is worth trying. Another platforms on which you can create your paid membership is Graphy. I have my own membership site on Graphy. This is a great platform to sell your courses, exclusive content to paid members. Do check it out. And therefore, here goes my disclaimer that this is not a sponsored video and none of the platforms I mentioned have paid for their promotion. I'm sharing this purely out of my personal experience. Okay, so now let's talk about other ways to earn money as a social media manager without booking clients. Do you know you can earn money by promoting brands with their affiliate programs? Yes. So as a social media manager, you definitely know how to create marketing posts on social media, right? I'm sure you are either learning the skill or already a pro. Whatever the situation is, we all know how to share our experiences about using any products or services and sharing our feedback as a reel or a post. These are also known as review posts, and this is exactly how you can start earning extra cash from your social skills. All you have to do is start sharing your reviews on social media about the products that you are already using in your daily life. You can simply generate revenues for yourself by promoting brands that you love by linking to their affiliate programs. Now, what is an affiliate program? Affiliate program is a process where you can earn a commission for referring a sale. Whoever refers is called an affiliate. And one of the most popular affiliate programs you might know is Amazon Associates. It's easy to set up, and once you create your account in Amazon Associates, you can start promoting products by sharing your affiliate link. When anyone who buys that product, you get a percentage share for it. The buyer will not be impacted on this arrangement, but it is always appreciated that you mention to your audience that it is an affiliate link and you will get a small token if they buy. Showing this transparency to your audience will increase their trust and loyalty in you. And so I think this is a great way to earn some extra cash for for yourself by using your social media marketing skills. The third way to earn money as a social media manager without booking clients is to join an influencer marketing platform. Now you must be thinking, why does a social media manager join an influencer marketing platform? Why not? Well, SMMs are great influencers, and well, they have their own lifestyle choices and niche as well. For example, if you are an SMM with a travel niche, you can start collaborating with brands and services in the travel sector and make money through brand deals as well. Basically, these influencer marketing companies help creators and brands collaborate with each other so that you don't have to go through with all those detailed negotiations and communications. You simply sign up to a platform and start getting deals. All you have to do is create content according to the given requirements, submit and get paid. No hassles of handling any communications or processes on your own. So I think that is great, right? Now we are left with two more interesting ways to earn money as a social media manager with zero clients. If this video has given you value, please hit that subscribe button because this will motivate me to keep making more videos for you. Coming to the fourth way to earn money as an SMM with zero clients is by selling your service to other social media managers. This is actually a little unconventional method that no one will ever disclose it to you. But I'll share this hidden gem with you today. You can pitch small services like caption writing, hashtags research, or YouTube title writing to other social media managers. This will work especially in case of freelancers who do not have larger teams of their own and are managing multiple clients. At some point of time, it becomes difficult to churn out content or manage tiny tasks that needs precision. You can collaborate with other freelance social media managers, network around with SMMs and pitch them your services. This way, you do not have to work directly with any client, nor you have to deal with any client calls or meetings. You can also reach out to social media agencies who hire freelancers and contract workforce. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this ever and if it has worked for you or not. And now coming to the last method, which I was personally excited to share. By adopting this method, you are not only earning without clients but also creating a passive income stream for yourself. You can make money by selling your own digital products. Yes, digital products are the most popular way to earn money online these days. You can generate revenues by selling your skills through digital products like design templates, content templates, guides, ebooks, pre-recorded courses, downloadables, editable Canva templates, reels and shorts templates. stock videos and stock photos, etc. All you have to do is build a valuable digital product of your own and start selling on social media platforms. It's easy, quick, and generates passive revenue for you while you are sleeping. Isn't it great? I have built my own digital product for you guys. Check out the first link in the description below. It is a valuable resource for every social media manager and professional. So go ahead and see it for yourself. And that's a wrap. I hope this video brought a fresh perspective to your career and it helps you generate revenues for yourself. Let me know which of the ways you are going to try in the comments below. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, and before moving on to other videos, hit on that subscribe button because, as you know, this is your go-to free resource to become a pro SMM. Until next time, keep creating good vibes globally. Bye-bye.